We're back. Sorry, I had a phone call.
We got two of this one, so in a moment, this is basically your end result here. And I'm going to show you actually what I did with the poles in just a moment.
Okay.
Tighten these up. Other end. There we go. Just let me tighten these up here.
Mm-hmm.
And now I'll tighten this one up.
Ian's got the little wagon on the brain, you know.
Yeah, I guess we're going to better put it together since she seems to want to see it.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I want to make this one the seat. That's going to be the seat. Just cause. Okay, now to this one. Which I do exactly the same thing. Okay, so get that plug. Don't laugh at me! It was the wrong screw. Stop laughing at me! And this one will be the back.
Hold on a minute.